Enfield is one of the network of excellence projects funded by the European Commission. And the objective of these kinds of events like workshops, hackathons, or summer schools planned under the project is to establish a close connection between the AI research community, including but not limited to other sister projects funded by the European Commission.
We had a large participation of young researchers, of PhD students, Master of Science students, and also in some cases Bachelor of Science students, but also of representatives from industry. Brought together exceptionally young people who are going to be the next AI talent in Europe.
We have many more people outside the project, and we should like them to know what is available from AI, what is realistic, what is not realistic. Get also some feedback from them, what they need, for example, what sort of questions they have. So this is the way how we can have a real impact.
And I think that this composition of attendees to these events was one of the keys of the success that we had.